Now, who introduced you into drugs?
So obvious ukuhlala elokishini uhlala ubisi
Yeah.
ubona uyenza nezinto zokuthi akumelanga uzenze so ngisho ngithi ama friends wami but abangikhombanga ngesibhamu kusho ukuthi nami bengifuna at that time because I was stressed. I think now bawaqale recently bebangawabhemi I crystal ifike fast yapenywa fast bengizwela but bengahlali nabo bengizwela ukuthi ikhona so mina ngicala ukuchila nabo njengoba ngingasasebenzi uyazi mama
understand my relationship
yeah
cheater
no I'll tell machita wami ithi ngintshela
yeah okay yeah
as long as unemoto
yeah
une cooler box une camping chair
sure
uqoka smart
yeah
unukela icolon onke amantombazana wakho or nginama
oh I didn't know that I thought amantombazana they bafuna umuntu azobashaya
exactly
okay
yeah and abanyayo ukuthi bafuna ukujola nawo just ukuthi ukulala lo muntu lo ujola naye yang understand
okay
yeah ukuthi hayi nathi sayifuna imali sifuna ukubona ukuthi inemali na yang understand